Prepare tile joints so the grout will bond evenly and look professional. Start by removing any leftover thinset or mortar lodged in the joints using a firm grout saw or a flat carbide scraper held at a low angle so you do not chip the tile edges. Next, vacuum the joints thoroughly with a nozzle attachment, moving slowly along each line to pull out fine dust and dried particles that block adhesion. After vacuuming, wipe the tiles and joints with a slightly damp sponge or microfiber cloth to capture remaining dust. Avoid soaking the joints because excess water can weaken the initial grout set. Inspect joint depth and ensure it matches the tile manufacturer recommendations, typically about 2/3 of the tile thickness. And if joints are too shallow, add a compressible backer rod or suitable filler so the grout has the correct profile. If you are working on porous tiles or cut edges that are dusty, wipe again with a solvent appropriate for the material, such as denatured alcohol for ceramic, and allow it to evaporate fully before grouting. Keep room temperature and humidity within recommended ranges, usually moderate temperature and low humidity, because extreme conditions change cure time and can cause shrinking or cracking. Common mistakes include leaving small bits of old thinset in the joints, which prevents the grout from seeding. Take extra time with a scraper and repeat vacuuming until no residue remains. Another issue is overwetting joints before grouting. Excessive moisture dilutes the grout and causes weak, powdery joints, so only use a damp sponge and let the surface return to a slightly tacky state before applying grout. A third frequent problem is failing to check joint depth and cleanliness after cutting tiles. Shallow or contaminated joints lead to cracking and uneven color, so insert a backer material where depth is insufficient and perform a final brush and vacuum pass right before mixing grout. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find new jobs by listing project types and service areas we support. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and post photos to get practical feedback on preparing tile joints and successful grouting techniques.